Hello everybody, we're going live from the Dupont Circle in Washington DC. So we're experiencing some type of weather. It's like the second storm of this winter. As you can see, there's already some people working down, and pretty soon there's gonna be a snowball fight. So we're recording from the Dupont Circle Hotel, taking a nice view. We're gonna see how far we can go. You're gonna take from every possible angle. Damn, está bien frío. As you can see, we have some people working now. We have the ABC 7 News. They're going live. See, we're already trying to clean up some. Hey, what time is this snow fight?
5:30.
5:30. So it's gonna be pretty cool. Everybody's gonna be taking sights downstairs. Here we have the fountain. Oh, we have a dog having a ball. We have the tracks trying to clear out some stuff, but still a long way to go. We're supposed to be expecting like 5 to 6 inches, and we have what, about 1. Everybody, it was nice to say hello. So, where'd my friend go? Hey! So, I hope you guys liked the video, and as you can see, hopefully it won't fall out.